Hi everyone, welcome back. In last video we discussed how to rebase the code but without any conflict. In this video we are going to discuss in case of conflict how we are going to rebase, and there are 2 points we are going to discuss. Let's say I initiated the rebase but later I realized that I don't want to rebase it due to conflict. And how can I cancel it? Second, how I can resolve the conflict and rebase. So these 2 things we are going to discuss in this video. Now let's look into the rebase scenario. Here I have created one feature branch and added some change to the feature branch. I will call the change as 2, 3 and 6, and we can see there are some changes added to the master branch. Those are 4 and 5. So in this case, if we'll rebase it, then it will look something like this, where the changes whatever has been done to the master branch will get applied to the feature branch, and it will look like the new feature branch has been created from commit 5, which is the latest in master branch. And let's see what are the steps we are going to follow in this video. So first we are going to create a new branch, then we are going to make some changes and commit to the new branch. Then we are going to switch to the master branch and make some change and commit. Then here we wanted to see the scenario where we'll get some conflict. So we'll make change in new branch and master branch. Change will happen to the same file so that we'll get some conflict. Then we'll see how we can resolve this conflict and rebase it. Let's check the Git status here, and this is clean working directory. I'm going to check the branch. I have only master branch, and I will see how many files I have here. So I have apple and orange file. Now let's create one new branch. So I will use checkout command so that a new branch will get created, and I'll switch to that branch. Now here I'm going to edit this apple.txt file, and I will add one line here, line 100, save it and close the editor. Now if I will see the Git status, we can see one file has been updated. So I will add and commit this change, and I will give the commit messages line 100 added. After this we can see the log. So I will use git log one line decorate and graph and all. And here you can see line 100 added to the new branch. Now let's check out to master branch so that we can make the same change, or we will edit the apple.txt file here. And what modification I will do is from 50 I will change it to 60. Let's save this, and I'm going to commit these changes. So add and commit at once, and I will say like line 50 updated to 60. So we have modified the same file, so we'll get some conflict while rebase. Now let's see how to initiate the rebase and how we can abort it. So we are going to check out to new branch. So git checkout new branch, and here we will see the log once. Here we can see this new branch has updated line 100 and master has updated 50 to 60. So if I will rebase it, git rebase and master, you can see we are getting conflict here. And this conflict, if I don't want it to continue, I wanted to abort this process, then I can use this command using git rebase and abort. This will cancel the rebase. And if I'll see the log, again it's the same log what we had earlier. Now in case we wanted to resolve the conflict and we wanted to rebase it, then we will again see the Git status here. We are in new branch, and let's initiate the rebase again. And this time you can see we got the conflict, and I will start the merge tool, and I don't have any external tool install here, so it will start in default editor. And here you can see in the left side I have the change what I have done to the master branch, and in the right side I have the change what I have done to the new branch. So I'm going to update the line 50 to 60 as well as I wanted to add line 100. So those changes I have made here, and you can see this left and right the current file status. I'm going to save these changes and close this editor. Now after this we can see the Git status here. So we have one file updated. If I will check this apple.txt file, you can see we have 60 and 100, which I wanted to keep it there. So I'm going to add this file, and now we can continue the rebase. So git rebase continue. I will give some commit message here. So I will give some commit message like conflict resolved. Yeah, conflict resolved. And let's save this. With this you can see rebase has been successfully completed. And if you'll see this log now, you can see we have the master as well as the new branch here. Now I will check out to master branch so that we can merge the change from new branch to the master branch. So git merge new branch, and you can see here it is a fast forward merge. So thanks for watching.